Do you know what to do at the modeling audition and how to get ready for it? Hello, my name is Geminis, you can call me Gem, and this is NGM Modeling. If you're here in this video, it's because you're wondering what to expect on a modeling audition, you haven't been to one, and also you want to know how to get ready for it. And that's what we are going to be talking today. I'm going to talk to you about my experience. I went once to an agency casting, and it was really nice, it was really simple. Sent my info through email days before, and they replied to me and they invited me to their open call they host every Wednesday. I went there and it was a really nice place. I walked in and there was like 5 girls, and I just signed in with my name and they start calling. I waited like 30-40 minutes and they called my name. I went inside and they talked to me like regularly, like what's your name, what's your measures, what you do, show me your portfolio and things like that. Then I went outside, they gave me a form. The form was like name, age, measures, the regular thing they asked, and then they told me like come in again, and they took some pictures for me, like Polaroids, like to remember how I looked that day and who I was. And then they told me they will contact me by email, and that's what happened. They contact me through email and everything, and it was really simple and really nice. That's normally what you do or what you see when you go to an agency casting or to a modeling audition. Now, what you need to do to get ready for a casting, and how can you nail it, how can you do to look better or to get the job? My tips, in my experience, I recommend first, your makeup and your dressing code must be the most natural as possible. Normally they will ask you to come with some kind of makeup if needed, but the regular thing and what you need to do if they don't tell you something else is natural. If you can go without makeup, that's perfect. But if you're doing your makeup, try to keep it simple, natural, and show the real you, because that's what they want to see, who you are and how you look without makeup, you know? So that's the first thing. Also your hair, of course you're not gonna be like out of the shower, but try not to make it too big or make it too stylish. Just go natural and it will be fine, because they want to see who you are, what's the real you without makeup, without all the process they do. With your clothes, normally they want to see your silhouette, so try to wear something tight that can show your silhouette, because that's what they want to see. Regularly you have to wear like black, like a t-shirt like this one will be perfect. Also like leggings or something tight. Tiny black dress is perfect. And also your heels, because of course you have to model, you will not go with forest shoes, you know. What I normally do is that I wear my comfy shoes, and once I get there I change my shoes, I put my high heels so I will be comfortable, and also I will have what I need. Don't forget to bring your portfolio, because they want to see your pictures, that's what they are looking for. And don't forget please to take this out of your mouth. That's really important, because you don't want them to see you like this, like all the video. I did it because I want you to see how bad it looks, so you don't repeat it. Don't forget to bring your portfolio, have natural makeup, good clothes, your high heels, and be yourself. Don't try to make something up, don't try to be someone different, just be yourself, show who you are, trust what you have and who you are, and if that job is for you, or if you're meant to be in that agency, you'll make it. If you're not, then you'll not, and it will be fine. So don't worry about it, just trust yourself, be confident, and go with the flow. Be the real you, and it will be okay. Those are my tips for today. I hope you liked it and you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, NGM Modeling, and also to my channel, Siendo Gem. I'm gonna leave the link below so you can subscribe. I always post this kind of videos. Don't forget to follow us on our social media, NGM Modeling and Siendo Gem. Also, if you have any questions, you can leave them below in the comments and I will be replying. So I hope you like it. Bye bye, see you next time.